Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will take a closer look at how you can work with transparent background. I will start by creating my master playlist, and this will be the playlist that I publish to my screens in groups and schedules, and I will show you that in a couple of minutes. We will open up our master, and as you can see, we have a white canvas, which we will use with this image, which I'm going to maximize. Let's open up slide settings and set the slide to play forever. If you wanted it different background photos, you could add multiple slides with, for example, 20 seconds. Let's exit out of this master playlist and create another one, which we will call content. Hit create, and there we go. This playlist is our content, and as you can see, the default canvas color is white. Now let's open up our background color, hit transparent, and then we're ready to add our content. I'm going to add 4 slides. Let's add this guy here. Put it down here in the corner. Adjust our slide duration to 4 seconds. Then let's clone the slide, move the photo to the other end of the slide, clone it again, and move the photo to a third position. One last time, let's clone it, let's remove this image, and let's add a social wall instead. In this case, I will go with our Instagram photo. There we go. All we have to do is style it. I've added all the content that I need, and let's exit out of our playlist. Let's go into the master, and then let's add the playlist that we just created. The last thing we have to do is put it in a group. So opening up groups and schedules, I have this Apple Mac player, which I want this content to play on. I will open up, choose the master, hit publish, and now my content is sent to the player. We go back to our playlist, open up master, hit preview. You will see that you now have your images on top of this background photo. Another option is something more dynamical. So if we were to remove this background photo, open up our assets, pick a video. This one is, I think, a cappuccino machine. Let's maximize the size, move back our playlist, and let's preview this one. Now you have a video running in the background and your content on top of that. And in a moment, you'll see the social wall, which is the last slide, and then the playlist will start over again. You can add images to your background, you can add video to your background, you can even add a social feed to the background and have your content running on top of that.